I'm just looking for the perfect spot to make this video. Hola, hi everybody. Um, Hi, if you're just meeting for the first time. Hi, nice to meet you. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So today is the day 4 of my vacation experience in Barcelona, Spain. I'm currently in my hotel where I lodged. It's been an amazing experience. It's amazing. Bas is so beautiful. Spain is so beautiful. I didn't even know it was this beautiful when I came here. So today I'm going to be doing a cable ride. Just take a seat just now. I'll be doing cable ride, and I would take videos of my cable ride experience. So in case you find yourself in Barcelona and you don't know what to do, you should consider having or doing a cable ride. It's beautiful. I saw yesterday on my tour, my day 2 vacation day. I went for a tour, a city tour, and I saw the cable thing in the cars in the air, swinging from one point to another, and I knew I just need to be in it. So day 3, I will be doing a cable ride for day 3, and yes, I'll keep you posted. All right, guys, I'll see you in the other side. So the sun was really hot, and we thought it would be okay to grab some ice cream while we navigate to where we're going to have the cable car ride. So we came out on the street and we needed to find our way to the cable car ride location. Now I'm going to tell you something important. If you find yourself in another country that you do not live in, please get familiar with using your map, because that was actually a lifesaver for us. We use Google Map a lot, a whole lot, to find our way to the location. I was looking like I was lost. I was trying to find the direction of where the map was telling us to go to. And then we walked and we came to this point, and then we're just walking and walking, and then it was looking like we were never going to get to the location. And then it was looking like, and look at it, we found the place and we're excited. It felt, oh, good. So we came to the location of where the cable car ride is, and then we had to go there and show them our ticket. So mind you, the ticket was booked online on the site. We jumped on Google online and then we saw the cable car ride thingy. We booked for the ticket online just prior to the day of the of our ride. So it's advisable to book your tickets a day before you go for your ride so you don't have issues. So yeah, this is Teleferic de Montjuic. It was fun. Yes, the time has come for us to jump on the cable car ride thinking and enjoy. However, we needed to show our tickets, the ones we booked online, to gain access to the cable ride. And that's me. I jumped into cable ride feeling like a superwoman until it started moving. It was different when it started moving. Cable! Yes! I was so excited when I jumped on in the cable car, and but then when it got to the middle of the rail of the cable, or what do you call the thing, in air, I felt like I was gasping for breath. I became scared. We halted at the Montjuic Park where we have the Montjuic Castle, and it was a beautiful sight to behold. And we didn't want to be in a hurry to go back on the cable ride. As I especially didn't want to rush back on that thing. I wanted to see the beauty of this place, and it was giving. It was really beautiful. For the first time in my life, I saw a cannon. That's how they call it, a live cannon. Now this is it. I played. I took pictures. I had fun acting like I was gonna shoot it. I became really, really like a baby. It felt really nice to see this. Yeah. Um, one of the things we used during the war. It felt really nice to see this, and so we walked around the park and stayed a bit, looked in. However, we just couldn't go in because the time we got there was for people who paid. Like if you paid to go into the park, into the castle, you'll be taken into the castle for sightseeing. We didn't pay to see to go in. We didn't plan for it actually. If we did, we would have paid for it. But it was good to just be around the castle and just hang around there. So what we eventually did, the castle guard told us that we could go in for free by 3 p.m. and we were there in the morning. It was so early and we couldn't wait because we had other things to do in our agenda. So we took a good tour around the park, going up and about. It led us to this beautiful site where we could see the sea from where we stood, and then yeah, it was beautiful. Just enjoy the view. was time for us to go back. So I jumped in the cable car ride, and yeah, I held my breath again. It was not, for me, it was not so easy to just be hanging there and you're dangling. It just felt like you're hanging on a thread and you're moving from one location to another on a thread. You're being transported. So I held my breath throughout the trip back to the station where we're gonna leave. So we had other things to do, so it was quite necessary. We left the telepheric telepheric the Montjuic. It was fun. Yeah. So we thought we should jump in the beach. So we went back home, freshened up, and headed for the beach. This is one of the clearest beach I'd seen, and the beach was beaching. It was so beautiful. The water was so clear. I think it's called the Barcelona beach. Yeah, the water was so clear. People were literally sun tanning and enjoying themselves without minding who was around. It was beautiful. It was beautiful. So yeah, we came to the beach and we had fun, and yeah, just enjoy the video. We had one more thing on our agenda before we ended that day. We thought we should try the local Barcelona food meal, and it looked like this. And yeah, and we had steak afterwards, but this was actually interesting. It was interesting to try. It didn't go down my throat so well though.
Just grab it, and then just the tomato.
Okay, like this?
Get wet the tomato. And then just olive oil, because halal is like normal bread.
Yeah, so when you do this, oh, okay.
It's a simple plate from Catalonia, but it's really good. You do like this.
Thank you.
With the olive oil, very important.
Oh, the olive oil is poured on top of it. Oh. Done and back to the hotel room. Thank you for staying to the end. Love you guys. See you in my next video.